Hey y'all, so I just pulled up at the farmer's market. I'm only picking up some oranges and some ginger because I'm going to make some ginger shots. And I'll see y'all when I get back home. I may show some footage inside. I'm really not sure, but I'll definitely share with you how I'll make my ginger shots and the benefits of taking them. Hey y'all, so I'm back from the farmer's market and I already have everything set up. My juicer, the oranges, the ginger. I've already washed this stuff. I'm just gonna show you a quick tutorial on how to make ginger shots. 2 simple ingredients, oranges and fresh ginger. So it says ginger may have numerous health benefits due to anti-inflammatory, anti-nausea, and other properties. It may help lose weight, manage arthritis, reduce menstrual symptoms, and more. So these are just some of the benefits that ginger has. I like drinking them around this time of the year because it's cold and flu season. It fights diseases and illnesses. And it also boosts your immune system. But if you're not sure if you should take ginger, then I would, seek a doctor's advice. This does say that pregnant or breastfeeding women or people with heart conditions or with diabetes should not take ginger without talking to their doctors. It also says do not take ginger if you have a bleeding disorder or if you are taking blood thinning medication, including aspirin. So plan on making 6 shots. I'm gonna take 1 every morning for the next 5 days. And I'm gonna make 2 extra for 2 of my friends at the gym for Saturday. I used to sell ginger shots when I was a member at a private gym. This was like during COVID. Yeah, right before COVID, I used to sell ginger shots. And then a little while after COVID, I still was selling ginger shots. But then I kind of stopped because it became too overwhelming. But here and there, if someone asks me for some ginger shots, I will make them, but I'm not like spreading the word right now. So for every orange, you should weigh 1 to 2 ounces of ginger. And the only thing about ginger is you can't measure the heat level. Ginger is not created equal, because you can get some ginger that's not as strong, or you can get some ginger that is very strong. So depending on your tolerance level for ginger, depends on how much you want to put in the shot. But for a nice level, you should do 1 to 2 ounces for each orange that you juice. I'm just gonna measure the ginger. So this is 2 ounces. That's 3.8. So I'm just gonna stick with this. This should be enough. So right now I'm just peeling the orange. Juicing, it's a lot of work, but you can make good money off of it. And as I'm sitting here cutting this, I'm like, should I get back in the game? And I just cut the ginger in chunks. This is fresh ginger and the oranges. I like to put this strainer here so that when the juice comes out, it catches most of the pulp so that it's not in the shot. So the pulp, the strainer, this is why I put this strainer here, because it catches the pulp, and this is why some of the juice is just sitting on top. See, it wasn't a lot of pulp, but it caught some of it. I'll also use a funnel. Ooh, that's one. Two oranges made 4 full 2-ounce shots. But I want to taste it. Woo! It's strong. These are strong. That ginger, that root is strong. It was 2 oranges, so I probably should only did 2 ounces. Woo. It's strong. Ooh. So I'm gonna clean up, and then I'll be right back to show you what I got from Aloe. Okay, so this is the package. Drum roll. I selected a hat. It's the black on black. I wanted the white on black, but they were sold out. So I got the black on black hat. I got a pair of socks. I got another pair of socks. I got a headband. This is the Aloe headband, and it like gathers in the back right here, so you could see. How does it look? It feels good. It's nice and secure. If you have ear pods or earbuds, I think it'll hold them in place. So this is cute. And I got gloves. I needed gloves really, really bad. The gloves that I have are so worn out and old. And these are a size medium. So hopefully, okay, good, they fit. It has like a little bit of padding here for the waist or to grip. So I'm officially an Aloe girl. How do I look? I'm excited. I'm gonna wear these tomorrow to the gym. So I have my new gym accessories. I'm gonna be taking my ginger shots. I do need to order some sneakers for the new year. I need to order a new pair of sneakers. I'm debating on getting a pair of On sneakers or Hoka. I've never owned either. I've always wear Nike. All my sneakers for the gym are Nike. So, but I want to try the On Cloud sneakers. I heard they were really good, or Hoka. I haven't really decided, but hopefully I'll get a fashion video out soon. I haven't been shopping because I'm trying to do the shop my closet and try to come up with some outfits without going to the store, to the thrift store, or ordering online or going to the mall. I'm gonna try. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and be on the lookout for my next video. And remember, take care of yourself because health is wealth, whether it's going to the gym, taking some ginger shots to take care of yourself, but please do that and try to make it like a conscious decision to put yourself first. Hey y'all, I'm on my way to the gym. I just want to do a quick outfit check. I have on my aloe accessories, the headband, the gloves, the socks. Can y'all see the socks? I'm gonna go out in the hallway so y'all can get a better look. I almost forgot, I started drinking it, but I just wanted to show y'all. I'm drinking my ginger shot before I head to the gym. Woo! It's strong, but it's good. All right.